Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make YouTube video full screen. So, if you want to watch your YouTube video on full screen on your phone, this could be Android or could be on iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make your YouTube video full screen, all you just need to do is go ahead, open the YouTube app on your phone, and then locate the video you want to watch. So in this case, let's say this is the video we want to watch. Now, while the video is playing, you may want to make this video full screen. To make the video full screen, all you just need to do is click on the video screen once to pop all this menu. Once the menu is popped, go ahead and click on the square box at the bottom right here. Click on that. And once you click on that, you'll see the phone screen rotated, and now you have the full screen enabled. So this doesn't count whether your phone rotation is enabled or not, and this works both on Android as well as on iPhone. And once you've enabled that, you can go ahead, watch your videos. And once you want to return this from full screen to normal screen, just come here and click on these chips. Just click on that, and then you should see it return back to normal mode. You see that? And then you can continue to watch your YouTube video. So that is exactly how to make YouTube video full screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.